So it's time to apply the bare metal foil, the 49 Merc. So in this video I am just going to do the trim along here. I didn't think ahead. The time for doing this was way before I put the paint on, and that is to scribe a line around the edge of the window. That gives me something to cut around, as you'll see here in a moment. I didn't do that, so there's nothing really there to guide me. So I don't think that the front windshield's going to get any chrome, except for I'll probably do that front bar and of course the wipers. Although I might paint those. On the sides, I'm going to do those off video because I'm probably going to have to. It's probably going to take me quite a while, and I might say bad words along the way. There's not much of a lip there to cut along. This is when you realize you should have thought ahead a little bit and gone through and made these lines deeper with a scribe tool, such as the Tamiya scriber or a dental tool. But I didn't think ahead, and now I've got the problem of how am I going to cut the foil nice and even when there's not much there to guide the blade. The back, there's a little bit here, but it's not much. So I don't know what's going to happen. I'm probably just going to slap some foil over there, burnish it down, and try to do my best cutting. But for this video, I'm going to put the foil on this side trim. I've got this foil here I purchased a long time ago at RJ's Hobbies for $5. That was in Mount Clemens, Michigan. I don't think that store's there anymore, but it was a decent little store, and I think it was in like an octagon shaped building, if that makes any difference. So as we can see here, I'm going to end up with a seam there. So we're going to cut a long, thin slice of this, stick that on, and then cut that. And there is not much of a lip on the top side of that either, so I'm going to have to be careful. Going to need a cotton swab. Ooh, that's too thin, I think. Ooh. Yep. That one is garbage. I cut it too thin. This one here is a little bit better. I try to peel this off as straight as I can, if that. I don't like to bend the foil too much because it gets little creases in it. Ooh. I need my tweezers. Where are my tweezers? There they are. push on that fairly hard to get that fully seated. Now I'm going to take this toothpick that I haven't modified. I'm going to blunt the end of this a little bit. I want it to be rounded. Still pointy, but if it's too pointy, it'll cut through. But I want it to be a little rounded on the edge. Fairly smooth. And this is pushing it down into the crack that I'm going to cut on. Okay, there's that. There's some good looking stuff, that bare metal foil. I probably should have removed that trim. It doesn't quite look right on a dragster, but this is kind of from the gasser era where these guys would not pay too much attention to that kind of stuff. They were more about making it go faster. Okay, so that's the bare metal foil. I will go ahead and do the rest of that, and you'll see that on the next video. There's not too many tips except to use a sharp blade to cut that off, because you only want to cut it once, and go through and before you paint, run a scribe along these lines and make a good deep guide, so you don't run into the problem that I've got now of trying to find something to cut along. Okay, thanks for watching. Subscribe if you would like. Hit that button next to it, the little bell shaped icon, and you will be notified whenever my next video comes out. Party!